Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to view your pay statement on Shipt Shopper app. We will also put links for similar gig platforms in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for payment history. Tap on Payment History. Here you will see the list of payments. Tap on the particular payment date you wish to view. At the upper part of the screen is an option that says View Pay Statement. Tap on View Pay Statement. And now you will see your pay statement. That's how you view your pay statement on Shipt Shopper app. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.